Together. Okay, so before today, how were you feeling about your hair situation?
Well, I just felt like I had given up. Like there was nothing that could be done to my hair. I was going to be in wigs, shave my hair, go bald, and I didn't know what to do. It was like hopeless.
Okay, all right. And what was your biggest fear before the appointment?
Whether or not I was going to find something that truly fit me and be more natural for me.
Yeah, so she came in for you did the in-person one.
Yes.
She did the in-person consultation. And how was that?
That was awesome. It was very nice. I had a great time. Kia walked me through everything. We found some really good styles, really good colors for me. And I'm so excited about today.
And you know what? What is something that you would say to someone that may be watching that's like on the fence, or even that person you were before you showed up? Because you probably were having thoughts in your mind before you made the call. Like, what would you say to yourself back then? Because now you know what happened. So just, can you say, is there something?
So I would say, don't be afraid. You just got to walk out by faith, or walk in faith, and trust the process. Trust God. Trust the person. Kia, when I first came in, she was so open and warm. And she still is today after all this time. And I'm glad that I came. So I was fearful, but I'm walking out with into a new journey, into a new day. So I feel fantastic. I feel wonderful.
Okay, guys, stay tuned. Stay together. Okay, not saw her hair yet. She have not saw it. She's about to see it for the very first time. All right, so how are you feeling so far?
I'm feeling good. I'm a little nervous, but I'm feeling really good.
Yes.
Confident.
And have you saw your hair at all?
No.
She has not
Not seen it.
saw her hair. We are about to see it together for the very first time. All right, so let's spin her around.
It's so nice. I love it. I love it. It is so nice. I love it.
You can see it close.
I love it.
Look like it's growing right from her scalp.
I love it.
You can wear it off your face. You can pull it all the way up.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it.
Let you see the bit. So she have not. So okay. So let me ask you. So let's see. How does this feel compared to what you were wearing before?
Hands down, there's no comparison. This is absolutely marvelous.
Guys, don't she look beautiful? Oh my goodness. Okay.
Yes, this is marvelous.
And what surprised you the most when you turned around?
Just the naturalness of it. The naturalness that I see, and it's a brand new day.
Okay. Yes. And if someone else is going through hair loss, would you tell them, what would you tell them?
Please go see Kia. Please go see Kia. Yes, definitely.
So yes.
Definitely.
Yeah. So you can see, you can pull it off your face, You just have it.
I love it.
Yes, and if you want to pull it all away. Okay. So, the big question, are you feeling all that and more?
All that and more.
Hey, and would you refer any of your friends?
Of course, definitely.
Mission accomplished. It has been a pleasure. Thank you so much. It's been a pleasure.
Thank you.
Yes.